Crazy guys, it's snowing so hard, dude. The parts pretty good down here still. No dents, no dings, no nothing. So
another update, boys. So we are 2 hours out from Springfield, and we got our essentials: coffee, Come and Go, awesome coffee, and then some donuts. And update on the condition of the road: a lot better. We're dry. But yeah.
what's up guys? So we did get the BRZ and we're gonna go get the check for it and pay at Copart.
Hey boys, the car finally arrived.
So the BRZ came in and it's a bigger hit than we expected actually.
Yeah, the lower radiator support got hit pretty decent. Maybe that control arm got pushed in a bit. We don't know as of right now, but we'll check it out later. Right now we're trying to take apart this upper radiator support, take the reinforcement bar, radiators, and try getting this bad boy started.
It has a couple mods, but that's for another video. So we took the crash bar out and seems there's a lot of plastic shit here. But what are we gonna take next, man?
We're gonna take apart this radiators and try to get the support off. Okay. So boys, we got the car, kind of took it apart, got all the main pieces off. You can see the further damage now. There's a couple of coolant pipes that are broken, and we're gonna have to order some new ones from the dealer. And a few sensors are busted right here.
We were trying to start it today, but it's not gonna start because of these sensors.
Well, that's nothing rebuilt boys can't fix.
Yes, sir.
We picked up our new pulley tensioner from the dealer, as well as a new belt, and we got our new coolant manifold, so that's good. And a little update on the shop. Shop coming soon, boys. Very soon.
So while my brother is changing the pulley that was broken in the collision, I'm gonna go to the back and change the taillights that everybody likes on these cars. So, gotta open the trunk. Oof. Look at those babies right there. Oh, they look so nice. They look so good on this car. Let's get to that. Ooh, guys, how do you guys not like the new look? I think these taillights make the car look so much better.
Working on the coolant manifold right now. We got everything unplugged and unbolted, and now we just need to pull it out.
So I'll give you guys a little time lapse.
Old one, here's the new one. Now let's go put it on.
We're gonna put that piece on. The coolant manifold in, and now we just gotta tighten it, man.
Yep.
So while Elijah's gonna be tightening the coolant manifold, I'm gonna take the damaged fender off and probably the side skirt because it's broken right there. We're gonna have to order a new one. So the overall damage is the front end, obviously, but there are some body panels that are damaged, like this fender, and then the passenger side skirt is damaged right here on the bottom. We're gonna have to order that. And then it's basically a little side swipe right here on the quarter. There's a little dent. And then the trunk is dented right here, and the bumper's scraped. But that's all fixable. We're probably gonna fix this bumper right here. It's nothing too bad. But yeah, overall the car looks clean, boys. Woo, we're hyped for this build. Okay, so now that I have took up the fender, now I can move on to the side skirt. It's almost off, but just gotta get a couple more bolts and it should slide off perfectly fine.
We got the manifold all bolted down. Now we're coming to the last little pieces like the bracket for the ECU, and then we're gonna put the intake on.
And then we might be able to start it tonight, right?
Yep.
So we dropped the bolt and we had to take this bracket off. And this gives a better look at the frame damage that we have here. It's not it's not too bad, but frame coming soon, boys. The ECU in. What do we have left, man?
Just the AC compressor, put the belt back on, and we're basically good to go.
Yeah, then we'll try to start it up, honestly.
So guys, bad news, the car doesn't want to turn over whatsoever. We don't know if it's some wiring issue or maybe a fuse is blown, but we're gonna try and pull some cables. Maybe the battery's dead, but it does have power, so we'll try to figure it out. Okay boys, so we looked into the fuses and there was one burnt. It was a EFI control fuse and we replaced it and we got power. Let's give it a crank and see if it starts. It's alive! Woo, guys, it started!
Hey, don't let it run for long.
Yeah. Turn on the lights. Oh yeah. Okay, shut it.
What's up, guys? So this is it for today's video.
We got all the little bits and pieces for the BRZ, so it's basically ready for frame now.
So if you guys like this kind of type of content, follow us on Instagram at Reboot Boys to see those little clips that you guys don't see here. And basically subscribe. That's it. Peace out, boys.